Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see exercise part of the lesson North, South, East and West. Choose the correct options. Shana did not attend school for dash months. 4, 5, 6, 7. 5. Shana visited the dash glacier in Kashmir. Tajiwas, Gangotri, Himachal, Jammu. Tajiwas. Shana hoped to see red pandas in Himachal Pradesh, Kashmir, Arunachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Arunachal Pradesh. Shana loved the pretty and colorful clothes in Kashmir, Arunachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Rajasthan. Shana learned to dash after they reached Chennai. Dive, surf, climb, swim. Surf. Next. We can understand the qualities of a person by looking at what he or she feels or does. Answer the following questions and find the lines from the story to support your answers. First, does Shana like to share her experiences with her friends? Yes, she likes to share her experience with her friends because whenever she wrote a letter, she used to address dear classmates, okay, or dear friends. She wrote like this only. It shows that she loved to share her experience with her friends. Does Shana obey her parents and listen when they ask her to do something? Yes, definitely. She obeys her parents whenever they ask something to do. So, in the middle of the tour, her mother gave a self-test in that, so she agreed to do. So this shows how she obey her parents. Okay. Next. Was Shana willing to admit that she was scared? Yes. She admitted that she was scared for two incidents. One is river rafting. She told that she was very scared of that river rafting. And another one, she was scared about tunnels. Was Shana grateful or thankful? Shana was thankful to her parents for tour. Next. Answer the following questions in few lines. Why was Shana not able to attend school for 5 months? She was not able to attend the school for 5 months because they planned to travel, because she planned to travel all over India with her parents. Next, what did Shana tell her classmates about Sundarbans? So she told that Sundarban is located in West Bengal and it also called as wetlands, and in that she can see many mangrove trees all around the Sundarbans. How does Shana describe her experience with river rafting? So she found the river is wild and scary because the waves were very fast moving, unlike how she had imagined. What did Shana see when she traveled to the southernmost tip of India? She saw Pamban Bridge. What did Shana tell her parents in the letter she wrote to them? She thanks to her parents and she recalled the experience of the tour. So she told she enjoyed a lot and she missed the culture, language of various states. Next, vocabulary. Write the given words by adding un, dis or re. Like, unlike. Fit, unfit. Act, react. Appear, disappear. Create, recreate. Understood? Next, fill in the blanks with the words formed by adding un, dis or re to the given words. Ratna dash having eggs for breakfast. Ratna dislikes having eggs for breakfast. Priya is dash happy. Priya is dash because she lost her favorite pen. Priya is unhappy. Next, my mother has asked me to dash the leftover food. Asked me to reheat. The umpire is looking at the dash before making his decision. Looking at the replay. The children started in dash as the magician made the rabbit vanish. Rita's clothes and toys are scattered around the room. She is so untidy. Understood? Next. Rewrite the given words by adding ing or less. Some words may take both suffixes. Okay. Help, helpless. Care. So you can use both caring or careless. Okay. Care. I'm writing careless. Okay, you can write both. Both are correct. Home, homeless. Tire, okay, next grammar. Read the passage and underline the adjectives. It was a hot afternoon in the quiet, dusty village of Satenapalle in Andhra Pradesh. So, here hot is adjectives and quiet and dusty are adjectives. Why? Because hot, it describes the afternoon. Okay, how was the afternoon? It was very hot. It's hot. Okay, it tells about the afternoon. Okay, next, quiet and dusty. It tells about the village. How was the villages? It's very quiet and dusty. Next, Sarvesh, all of 10 years old, sat on a rectangular piece of rock under his favorite tree, waiting for his father. Here, 10 and rectangular are the and favorite are the adjectives. So why 10? It tells about the years. Okay, year, years. And rectangular, it tells about the rock, piece. How is this? It's rectangular. Next, favorite tree. So, how is the tree? Why that favorite is a adjectives here. Okay. Next, they were going to the big town nearby. So, big. Big is adjective here because it tells about the noun. How the town is. Okay. Town ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ. The yellow sun shone brightly on the boy's face, and he saw many flowers near him. Here, yellow and many are the adjectives. So, yellow, it describes the sun. Okay, it glorifies the sun. Okay, and many, it describes the flowers. Okay, understood? Next, he counted 5 bees buzzing around the flowers. 10 minutes later, he heard his father's footsteps. He stood up excitedly and ran to his father. So 5 and 10 are the adjectives here. 5 it describes the bees and 10 it describes the time, minutes. Okay, understood? Next, fill in the blanks with the suitable adjectives. So we have to add any adjectives here. Whatever adjectives comes on your mind, you can write down. So this is not a exact way to write. Any adjectives is okay. Understood? Dash fruits are in the boxes. Fresh, I am writing here fresh. You can write anything. Anything you can write. Okay, I just wrote fresh fruits are in the boxes. You can write the rotten fruits. Okay, you can write anything. Okay, next, he could carry only dash bags. He could carry only smaller bags. Or you can write bigger bags, or you can write heavy bags. Okay, anything is fine. Don't think this is the final answer. You can write anything, any word which describes the noun. That's it. Adjectives is simple that it describes the noun. Any word is okay, but it should describe the noun. Okay. It have to tell about the noun. She bought a dash vase from India. She bought a flower vase. Here also you can write anything, okay? Not only this flower, okay? The girl wrote an dash book yesterday. A girl wrote a comic book yesterday. My sister saw dash people outside our house last week. My sister saw 4 people. So you can write anything. You can write ugly people. You can write dangerous people, wicked, anything you can write. Okay. This is about adjectives. Next, C. Read the sentences. Circle the subjects and underline the predicates. So what is subject and what is predicate here? The sentence has 2 parts. Okay. One is subject and another is predicate. Means the part of a sentence which tells us what is it. Okay. That is subject. That subject contains nouns, pronouns, group of words, anything is. That is subject. But it should tells what it is. That is subject. Okay. Then what is predicate? Predicate is the part of the sentence which contains the verb, tells us something about the subject. So predicate should contains a verb which talks about or which tells about the subject. Okay, understood? I write letters to my friends. Here, what is the subject here? Good. I is a subject. Next, write letters to my friends is a predicate. Okay. Next, my sister loves going to the beach. My sister is a subject and loves going to the beach is a predicate. The girls went to the mall together. Girls is a subject. Went to the mall together is a predicate. The boy is making a house with toy blocks. Boy is a subject. Is making a house with toy blocks is a predicate. Kathy is trying to get her cat down from the tree. Kathy is a subject. Is trying to get her cat down from the tree is a predicate. My mother and grandmother paint many pictures. My mother and grandmother are the subject. Paint many pictures are the predicate. Understood? This is about the exercise part of the book back exercise of the lesson 3rd, north, south, east, west. Okay. Tomorrow we will see 4th lesson, land of glories. Okay. Thank you.